Coverage on the Sushant investigation. For the first time now, the call records of Sandeep Singh's best friend, Sushant Singh Rajput's best friend Sandeep Singh is out. Let's focus on this. Look who he calls. Akshay Bandkar was the ambulance driver. The first call is made on June 14. The next call and the last call is on June 16. Now on June 15th, Sushant was cremated. His family members had flown down from Patna. All the rituals were done. What was he talking with the ambulance driver on June 16? This June 16 call, broken first by Times Now, had set the agenda. It has altered the probe, and Sandeep Singh has become a suspect. He will be grilled, and sources within the investigating agencies are telling Times Now that the CBI is looking at this discrepancy very clearly. Why is this a discrepancy? Let me put this in context quickly for our viewers joining the broadcast, because Sandeep Singh in the last 10 months did not exchange a call or a message with Sushant Singh Rajput. Yet he was seen everywhere. Look at these pictures. Sandeep Singh was outside Sushant's Bandra apartment. Sandeep Singh was inside the ambulance when the body was being taken to the Cooper Hospital, and Sandeep Singh, viewers, was also at the Cooper Hospital mortuary when Riya went there. Is this a strange coincidence? It can't be. And even if you were to say it is, what explains this? June 14, Sushant found dead. 14 June, Sandeep's first call to the ambulance driver. But on June 16, why was Sandeep still in touch with the ambulance driver? That hasn't come out. We've also spoken to the ambulance driver. We'll play that out in just a bit. Let me open this up. Bhavtosh, Kajal, Siddhant, Arunil, Priyank, Tamal joining us. Tamal, what do you make of all of this? Tamal. I don't think Tamal
can
hear me.
Yes, if you can repeat your question.
Let's quickly play out the phone conversation we had with the ambulance driver. He says, I did not get a call from Sandeep Singh. Clearly, one of them is lying.
अक्षय जी, काजल बोल रही हूँ टाइम्स नाउ न्यूज चैनल से।
मैडम जरा मैं बिजी हूँ, थोड़ा फोन बाद में कर दो। नहीं मैं बिजी हूँ।
आपको फोन किसने किया था उस दिन सुशांत के लिए? आपको फोन किसने किया था? संदीप सिंह ने किया था या घर वालों ने किया था? बस इतना ही जानना था।
क्या हुआ?
आपको फोन उस दिन किसने किया था कि आपको आना है करके? घर वालों ने किया था?
पुलिस वालों ने
किया था। संदीप सिंह ने नहीं किया था ना? अक्षय जी, काजल बोल रही हूँ टाइम्स नाउ न्यूज चैनल से।
मैडम जरा मैं बिजी हूँ, थोड़ा फोन बाद में कर दो। नहीं मैं बिजी हूँ।
आपको फोन किसने किया था उस दिन सुशांत के लिए? आपको फोन किसने किया था? संदीप सिंह ने किया था या घर वालों ने किया था? बस इतना ही जानना था।
क्या हुआ?
आपको फोन उस दिन किसने किया था कि आपको आना है करके? घर वालों ने
किया था। पुलिस वालों
ने किया था। संदीप सिंह ने नहीं किया था ना?
Only channel with the call data records, full call data records of Sandeep Singh, who claims he was Sushant Singh Rajput's best friend. Yet in the last 10 months, there were no calls exchanged, complete radio silence. But yet this man was seen taking charge after Sushant Singh Rajput was found dead. Isn't that strange, Tamal?
Well, absolutely, Pranesh. No friend, after having claimed to be one of the best friends, can now defend his position, his or her position, when the call data record suggests that in over almost a year, he was not in touch with Sushant Singh Rajput. And also, Pranesh, no one can take away the fact that it was Sandeep Singh who came in front of the media, made all those claims, and now he has gone into absolute silence. What is this conspicuous silence all about? What is he trying to hide? Now there are glaring discrepancies, questions being raised about his conduct and the way he has, the way he has now avoided questions. It's something that Sandeep Singh can now come to the forefront and diffuse all the allegations, because now the doubt is whether Sandeep Singh was trying to be absolutely innocent, being opportunistic, or who has been driven by some motive part of some conspiracy that possibly had led to the death of Sushant Singh Rajput. So Sandeep Singh, if he is watching this, he must have to come now clean, and he has to answer these questions.
Let's get reactions, and they're coming in. Shaina NC of the BJP on the phone line. Shaina NC, Times Now's relentless reportage bringing out facts after facts in the case. Sushant's best friend, supposed best friend Sandeep Singh, call data records we have accessed. He was in touch with the ambulance driver even on June 16, a day after the cremation.
Yes, there is something that doesn't add up. I'd like to compliment Times Now and the other media that has been responsibly raising question after question, which should have actually been raised by the Mumbai police as part of the investigation. But they chose not to and treat this as an open and closed case. There were so many questions which we raised as the opposition. When there is an autopsy report, the time of death was not even specified. Why is it that there were so many questions when it came to Riya Chakrabarti visiting the hospital mortuary? And why is it that certain people chose to pretend to be close friends and subject to all kinds of call records which have been now procured in the public domain? So I'm sure that the CBI will look at all aspects and ensure that in the Sushant Singh Rajput case, the parents are given the father who filed the FIR in Bihar and who raised questions on how this case is being conducted will get justice at the end of it, because there has been ample public pressure. And without getting into speculation as to whether it was a murder or abetment or suicide, let the investigation.
Thank you, Shaina NC, for joining us here. On July 29th on the News Hour, when Sandeep Singh was asked about his relationship with Sushant Singh Rajput, he said, "I'm his best friend." Yet the call data records suggest that this best friend could have been a fraud, because for 10 months, in the last 10 months, no calls exchanged, not even one message. Listen to this.
43 डेज बाद फैमिली आई है सामने, और वो भी मीडिया के सामने नहीं, सीधा जस्टिस मांगने सुशांत के लिए एक एफआईआर दर्ज किया है, सीधा इतना सीरियस एक्शन लिया गया है। तो कुछ न कुछ ऐसी बातें होंगी पिता और पुत्र या फैमिली या सुशांत के बीच, जो वो लोग समझ के फिर पुलिस को वो सारी बातें डिटेल में बताई हैं उन्होंने। एज अ फ्रेंड मैं ये कह सकता हूँ कि सुशांत ने कभी मुझसे ये सारी बातें नहीं शेयर की, बिकॉज आई थिंक हम हमेशा फिल्मों की बातें, म्यूज़िक की बातें, मस्ती, खाना पीना, जैसे मैंने अपने सोशल मीडिया पे भी लिखा था कि उनको मटन खाना, बिहारी मटन, क्योंकि वो भी बिहार से हैं, मैं भी बिहार से हूँ, मैं भी पटना में ही पढ़ा लिखा हूँ, और वो कनेक्शन हमारा 10 साल से है। जब मैं संजय भंसाली के यहाँ पे CEO था, तब से मेरी दोस्ती उनके साथ हुई थी, और हमारा रिश्ता बहुत ही क्लोज आ गया था, और हम अच्छे दोस्त। आज मतलब मेरे पास वो मैसेज भी सेव है जहां सुशांत ये लिखता है कि भाई, यू एंड महेश शेट्टी आर द ओनली 2 फ्रेंड्स आई हैव। दैट मैसेज इज वेरी प्रेशियस टू मी, विच आई हैव।
Where is that message that he was talking about on July 29th? Sandeep Singh was lying and the truth has been exposed. BJP's अमित सातम नाउ जॉइंस अस। सातम जी, टाइम्स नाउ से बात करने के लिए शुक्रिया। हर रोज एक नया पहलू हम इस केस में उजागर कर रहे हैं, और कॉल डेटा रिकॉर्ड जो संदीप सिंह का हमने देखा, उसमें उन्होंने आपको भी फोन किया। पूरा मामला बताइए, उन्होंने आपको फोन करके क्या बोला, आपने उनसे क्या कहा?
14 जून को शाम को 6 और 8 बजे के बीच में संदीप सिंह का मुझे किसी के रेफरेंस से फोन आया था, और उन्होंने मुझे फोन पर यह कहा कि उन्हें सुशांत सिंह के क्रिमेशन में मदद चाहिए और उसकी अरेंजमेंट करने में मदद चाहिए। और क्योंकि मैं यहाँ पर लोकल MLA हूं, तो उन्होंने मुझे कहा कि आप हमें मदद कर सकते हैं, तो प्लीज मदद कीजिए। तो उस समय पर हमने उन्हें, हमारे वहां पर एक व्यक्ति है जो इस प्रकार की एम्बुलेंस सर्विसेज और क्रिमेशन में मदद करते हैं, ऐसे व्यक्ति का एक नंबर दिया और उस व्यक्ति से संपर्क करने के लिए कहा, और उन्होंने उस व्यक्ति से संपर्क किया, और उस व्यक्ति ने 15 जून को सुबह में सुशांत सिंह जी की बॉडी को कुपर हॉस्पिटल से पवन हंस के क्रिमेटोरियम में लेकर जाने के लिए एम्बुलेंस दी, और पवन हंस के क्रिमेटोरियम में क्रिमेशन राइट्स परफॉर्म करने के लिए जो भी वहां पर मदद की आवश्यकता थी, वो सारी मदद उन्होंने उन्हें की।
अमित सातम जी, मैं 1 मिनट आपको यहाँ रोकना चाहूंगा। आप कह रहे हैं कि आपने उसको एम्बुलेंस सर्विस वाले का नंबर दिया, वो एम्बुलेंस सर्विस वाले ने ये सब अरेंज किया, और मैं भी आई जस्ट वांट टू टेल आवर व्यूअर्स दैट वी हैव आल्सो स्पोकन टू दिस मैन दैट मिस्टर सातम इज रेफरिंग टू, एंड विल प्ले आउट दैट कन्वर्सेशन इज इन जस्ट अ बिट, दैट इज कमिंग अप ऑन टाइम्स नाउ। बट मिस्टर सातम, आप मुझे ये बताइए कि जब क्रीमेशन जून 15 को हो गई तो संदीप सिंह जी जून 16 को अक्षय बांडकर जो एम्बुलेंस ड्राइवर है उससे क्यों बात कर रहे थे, क्या बात कर रहे थे, ये इसको कैसे देखते हैं आप?
2 अलग अलग एम्बुलेंस यूज हुई है, आप उस बात को क्लियर कीजिए कि 14 जून को सुशांत सिंह के घर से जो एम्बुलेंस बॉडी को लेकर कूपर हॉस्पिटल तक गई वो अलग एम्बुलेंस थी, और 15 जून को सुबह में जो एम्बुलेंस बॉडी को कूपर से पवन हंस और क्रिमेटोरियम लेकर गई वो दूसरी एम्बुलेंस थी।
बिल्कुल।
और दूसरी एम्बुलेंस अक्षय बंडगर वो जो है वो शायद पहले एम्बुलेंस से रिलेटेड व्यक्ति हो सकता है।
तो नहीं, मैं मान भी लूं अगर आपकी बात सातम जी, और मैं बस अपने व्यूअर्स को आपके माध्यम से ये बताना चाहता हूं कि अगर 15 को फ्यूनरल और क्रिमेशन हो गया तो 16 तारीख को एम्बुलेंस वाले से क्या बात कर रहे थे संदीप सिंह जी? संदीप सिंह मस्ट कम आउट एंड क्लैरिफाई दिस, इजंट इट मिस्टर सातम? शुडंट इट कम क्लीन ऑन दिस?
ऐसा है कि इसका जवाब संदीप सिंह ही दे सकते हैं, और मैंने बार बार हर मीडिया के सामने, हर टीवी चैनल के डिबेट में हर बार ये कहा है कि संदीप सिंह का प्रॉपर स्टेटमेंट और इन्वेस्टिगेशन होना चाहिए।
There you go. Sandeep Singh should be investigated, says Amit Satam, BJP MLA. He also got a call from Sandeep Singh and he was seeking some help. He did help him, but nothing explains this, viewers. Akshay Bankar, the ambulance driver, got a call from Sandeep Singh on June 16th. What was this call about? Let's focus on the date here. This is June 16. Let's zoom in so that viewers get a better sense of this. The first call is on June 14. Now, even if Sandeep Singh comes out and says that someone from Sushant's family told me to arrange for an ambulance, one gets it. But what explains this? June 16, a day after the cremation is done, what was going on? Let's play out that conversation with the ambulance driver, because the ambulance driver says, I did not speak to anyone. The police called me.
अक्षय जी, काजल बोल रही हूँ टाइम्स नाउ न्यूज चैनल से।
मैडम जरा मैं बिजी हूँ, थोड़ा फोन बाद में करता हूँ। नहीं मैं बिजी हूँ। मैं
आपको फोन किसने किया था उस दिन सुशांत के लिए? आपको फोन किसने किया था? संदीप सिंह ने किया था या घर वालों ने किया था? बस इतना ही जानना था।
क्या हुआ?
आपको फोन उस दिन किसने किया था कि आपको आना है करके? घर वालों ने
किया था? पुलिस वालों ने
किया था। संदीप सिंह ने नहीं किया था ना?
You heard the conversation with the ambulance driver. Ambulance driver says, I didn't speak to Sandeep. Sandeep Singh called ambulance driver, and the last call is on June 16. And look at these pictures. From June 14, June 15, Sandeep Singh, the man who wasn't in touch with Sushant Singh Rajput for the last 10 months, suddenly para drops. First goes to Sushant's Bandra apartment. From there, sits on the front seat of the ambulance, takes the body to the Cooper Hospital, and then, according to one insider account, he was also present outside the Cooper Hospital mortuary the day Riya Chakrabarti went there. Tamal, answers can only come from Mr. Sandeep Singh, and he is silent.
That's right, Pranesh. Sandeep Singh has made a lot of claims and now he has to substantiate what he has already claimed, because initially he possibly thought it's an open and shut case, but then it is not. And now that the investigation has begun, which is now considering each and every word that individuals have made in the past, each and every things which have come to the forefront in connection with the case, Sandeep Singh is one of the key characters who should be questioned. Many are saying he should be questioned, and the fact that he has gone into silence raises more questions on him. But Sandeep Singh initially said a lot of things, but now all silent.
Well, yes, the point that you raised, that Sandeep Singh should be questioned because of the theatrics that he did outside when Sushant Singh passed away, and the stories that he came up with, the misleading angles that he gave to the media, and how he went about with his business at the point when somebody had died is something that is very important. And he is the one who pieces together the Dubai link also. So I think it is very important for the CBI.
All this is not adding up. All this is not adding up. Tamal Waji, stay with us. Kajal also with us. Kajal, the Mumbai police must also explain all of this. They should have probed this. They did not.
Of course, several questions need to be asked of the Mumbai police. We do know that they had called Sandeep Singh twice or thrice to the police station and had recorded his statement, but it doesn't seem that they had seen him through this angle of him having betrayed or tried to somehow take leverage from the situation. They had mostly seen him as someone who was there claiming to be a friend and trying to
stay with us. This is getting bigger by the minute and also murkier as we go along. We are taking your calls on the other side of this short break.